World, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here's your daily update and the big warning to all out of you there, guys. Attention, attention. Please, guys, please use only money for trading that you can or that you are forced to lose. Please do not use money you need for living, guys. Please, please, attention, attention. If you use leverage trading, please, attention. If you use a big leverage like X10, X20, X100, you can lose all your money. That's so important for me to show you guys. And guys, I would like to show you this as a really serious video. No hype or no moon stuff or something like this. I will show you the next move, the next possible move, and the next possible move to the upside and also to the downside, guys. That's really important for me. So guys, let's start this analysis now. Here is your Bitcoin trading informant. Let's go. So let's start with this one. Here's CoinMarketCap. What can we see here? We can see Bitcoin is going sideways a little bit. Yes, it's going down a little bit, but also sideways. 0.41% in the plus. In 7 days, we have a red chart picture here. You can see Bitcoin is going down with 1.77%. If you are trading Ethereum, it's going down more as Bitcoin. You can see Ethereum is going down with 5.9%, and the Bitcoin is going down only with 2% for the moment. So the most coins are going down. You can see it here. This is a bad red chart picture here. And if we are watching to the upside, we can see we have 17,536 crypto coins here in the market. That's amazing, guys. That's really amazing. We are growing every day with the coins. I'm not feeling good about this because there are so much meme coins here, but okay, that's the market. And what can we see? We have a dominance, a Bitcoin dominance about 41.2%, and we have a Ethereum dominance about 18.7%. So let's check now what's going on with the market cap dominance for Bitcoin. So this one is showing us what's going on with the coin market cap, with the market cap dominance for Bitcoin. And you can see, yes, on the 1 hour time frame, we are still in the golden cross zone. Everything is okay. We have a nice parallel channel to the upside. And you can see since January, since beginning of the year, it is better all in all to trade Bitcoin as the altcoins. You can see the Bitcoin dominance is growing and the altcoin dominance is going down. We have now 43.1% dominance for Bitcoin. And that's really nice. But if we are watching a bigger picture, guys, we can see it. The Bitcoin dominance is going down on the bigger picture. You can see here we saw a little from about 2 hours or 4 hours, we saw a little down going, a little dump here, a little down going dominance for Bitcoin. And if we are watching the 4 hour time frame and we are zooming out a little bit more, you can see it here. The Bitcoin dominance is going down more and more and more. So yes, of course, we have over 17,000 coins and a lot of meme coins, and they are traded very well. So it's really possible that the Bitcoin dominance is going down more and more. But if we are watching this, guys, you can see we have a big resistance line here, the 0.786 Fibonacci, about 43.6%. That's a big resistance here. And we need to climb back this resistance to see more growing dominance. So guys, this is the picture from yesterday. Yesterday, I showed you this stuff for about 2 days, because that's the thing I would like to show you yesterday. Yesterday, I made a really fast update, only 3 minutes, and I showed you, attention, guys. We are watching here a shooting star candlestick. This shooting star candlestick is 3 days old. And yes, attention, a long wick to the upside, a closed body on the downside. That means, guys, we are maybe going down. This is a bearish pattern. And watch this long wick to the upside. Why it is so important? Because it's on the daily time frame. And if you're watching this on the daily time frame, we need to pay attention about this, guys. That's really important. So if you don't know what is a shooting star, you can watch my video from yesterday, only 3 minutes. I will show you there what is a shooting star, what do you need to watch, and what is maybe the next big thing, guys. So I will not recall it today. Please watch my video from for about 2 days from yesterday. This is the last picture from 2 days, guys. It's a little bit complicated, but this is the last picture. I showed you we started here in M pattern 41,600. We saw a nice wick to the upside. Here was the resistance, a perfect hit. 45,500. Then we made the M pattern to the downside, 42,700. The right stuff of the M pattern, 45,600. The second perfect hit, double top. I showed you this. And if you shorted this one to the downside, you made millions, guys. Congratulations. Because we saw a perfect spike to the downside, back again to the starting point of the M. That's 41,700. Okay. M point finished. Let's talk about the future and not of the last days. And what can we see? We broke out of this falling wedge. I showed you this falling wedge. I told you guys, attention, if we will break out, this would be a bullish sign. We saw a nice move to the upside. But after this damn little wick here with a long wick to the downside, as this damn little candle, and yes, we broke down again, and since this point we went sideways. Yes, we saw this shooting star on the daily. This was a bad sign. Now we're going sideways, and now the big question is, guys, what's the next move for Bitcoin? And yes, I will try to show you this one here now, guys. Back in this chart picture, we're going sideways. We are for the moment over the MA20. You can see the blue line, okay? But that's not so important. We have some stuff that's more important, and we need to watch that. First of all, let me show you here a bigger picture. Let's remove all this stuff. We need to remove all this. We have a naked, clear chart picture here. What can we see? And if you're watching my video, guys, you know what I see here. I am watching here a shoulder, head, shoulder. Look at this. A left shoulder here on this point, a head here on this point, and a right shoulder here on this point. That's an inverse shoulder, head, shoulder. And guys, yes, I know it. It's a little bit in the future and it's a little bit magic as reading. But if we will build this right shoulder, we have this trend line to watch. And this trend line is a really important stuff, because if we can break out of this trend line, guys, if we can break out to the upside with this inverse shoulder, head, shoulder, we have a nice target. First of all, watch 46,200. Depends always. Okay, I know it, guys, where we will hit the line, but maybe if we can hit it here on this point, we can maybe see a nice breakout to the upside. So maybe the right shoulder is now on about 41,600, and maybe we're growing now to the upside to 46,200. And then if we can break out over 46,200, we can use this point. We can make a line from the trend line to the downside, and we can use the end point of this line as our technical target. 48,250, bam, that's our next target. If this will play out in the future. Yes, guys, we have a lot of time to watch this. It could be in the next few days, but if this will happen, let me show you. Is this a possible target? Yes, of course, because we have here on the left side a lot of spikes into this area. And this area, if we're making here a price level, 58,900. So yes, that's a possible point. That's a possible point. We may reach this area if this inverse shoulder, head, shoulder plays out to the upside. A lot of ifs, a lot of when, but guys, that's a next move what I'm watching for Bitcoin, and it's a possible move. It's not impossible to see something like this. Be prepared. Okay, let's zoom out in the 4-hour time frame. What else can we see here, guys? On the 4-hour time frame, we saw here a nice stuff. Let me show you. On the 4-hour time frame, we saw here we saw a parallel channel to the downside, like this one here. It was a parallel channel, a red one, and yes, we broke out here to the upside. Now we have on the 4-hour time frame a nice little one, parallel channel to the upside, like this one here. It's a green parallel channel, and yes, we are growing in this channel. As long as we are in this channel and as we are with the right shoulder in this channel, guys, everything is okay. Everything is working. We need to watch this. So you see the middle line of this parallel channel to the upside, and that's the next big stuff we need to watch. And guys, look at this. Dr. Ross, greetings to Dr. Ross, is showing us on his chart picture here. Yes, the 4-hour time frame. And he's drawing this one on the bodies, not on the full candles, on the bodies. And he's drawing this as a parallel channel to the downside. And we are fighting for the moment with the middle line. Thanks, Dr. Ross. A really nice picture. And you can see the middle line is now our resistance. We need to fight back the middle line. But back again to my chart picture here, shoulder, head, shoulder, inverse. If we can break the middle line from Dr. Ross, if we can break here to the upside, if we can break the trend line from Biti, the 46,200, yes, of course, maybe 58,000 is the next big stuff. Guys, let's check this one here with the Fibonacci retracement. What can we see if we are looking at the Fibonacci retracement? Yes, of course, look at this. A nice thing here is our nice support, 0.236 line, the Fibonacci line, 41,400. It's a nice support line now on the downside. If we can go up from here, we have to watch the next support line. That's now our resistance, 46,300. That's 46,600, okay? The 0.382, and the next resistance to the upside, 0.5. Fibonacci line about the price about 51,000. And after this, 55,000, after this, 56,700. And yes, of course, after this, the next big target to the upside, 58,000. So guys, you know now the targets to the upside. Let me show you. If we're going down from here, it's also possible. We have here the price prediction from CoinCodex. This is telling us, okay, we're going sideways a little bit, and after the end of the week, we will see a bump to the upside. We are here bearish with the sentiment, and we have fear in the market. We see 46% bullish and 54% bearish. If we are watching this one here, if we are scrolling down a little bit more, let me show you. We will not see here a dump under 43,000. Yes, we will see maybe a nice pump up to 53,000. That's the next big pump. This is showing us CoinCodex. And 53,000, February the 21st. This would be the day we will reach 53,000. That's telling us CoinCodex. That's not telling you Biti here. That's not I'm telling you. But if we will, let me show you guys. Here's 51,500. Here's the February the 21st, and here is maybe the target what we can reach. And yes, you can see it. It's nearly similar. I'm going a little bit sideways, a little bit more sideways, and then to the upside. CoinCodex is showing us, yes, we will moon back up to 51,000 here. Okay, we need to watch this. If we're going down now, guys, let me show you last but not least before we end the video. We have a nice support zone to the downside. That's this one, and everyone is telling you, attention, 30,000, 29,000, we will go down here. I hope not. I hope we will break out to 58,000, guys. That's the big thing, what I'm hoping for the moment. And not that we will go down to 30,000, but yes, if we will go down, we have here really big support to the downside. So, you know everything about the shooting star. Please watch the video from yesterday, only 3 minutes. Then you will know more about the shooting star. And this is now, guys, the big thing what I would like to show you. Guys, I'm ending this video now. Please, guys, attention. If you are trading, watch your money. Be careful with leverage trading. Be careful with Bybit, also with Binance, guys. You can lose your money so fast. It's a really big warning from me to you. If you don't know how trading works, please, guys, use test accounts. Please try it out. Don't use your real money. And if you are using your money, please use money that you can afford to lose and not you need for living, because it's possible to lose everything. Don't trust anyone. Don't trust anyone on YouTube, on the influencers and so on and so on. Please use your own knowings, and guys, try with not real money before you're starting this, because it's really dangerous. Guys, I removed my Bybit link because I will not like to see that you are losing money on Bybit or on Binance or what else, guys. Guys, please use your own knowledge and study this one before you are before you're trying to trade, guys. That's a really big warning from me to you. I hope you can understand my bad English, but it's really important. And guys, if you would like to need anything, please watch my live stream. I'm live on YouTube and on Twitch. The name is Bitcoin Trading Informant. I'm live 24 hours, 7 days a week. I have some nice guys there. And if you would like to know something, please write it in the chat, in the chart, not in the chat. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Yours, Biti, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Bye, guys.